Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn sentences using when question word and names of days in Kannada like yesterday, day after, tomorrow, like that, and then names of time in Kannada, meaning what we say for half an hour, quarter hour, and then 1 hour, how we mention time in Kannada. So we are going to see about that in this video. Okay, now say Kannada sentences using question word when. So sentences using when. So when are you going? ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? When are you coming? When are you coming? ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? When are we going? ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? We can make sentences using when like this also in Kannada. When we get a holiday, we go for a trip. So here, when is like raja sikkaga ನಾವು tour ಹೋಗೋಣ. So when in English will be changed like this in Kannada. This also we can say raja sikkaga ನಾವು tour ಹೋಗೋಣ. So when we get a holiday. So in that context we are using this when. And in Kannada it will change as raja sikkaga. Then holidays sikkaga. Raja is school holiday sikkaga. Time sikkaga means when we get a time. Then when they come, when relatives come, we can go. Like that, like when can be used in that way also in Kannada. So how do we refer like days, yesterday, day before, all those things in Kannada? Yesterday is ninne, a day before yesterday is monne, and today is ivattu, tomorrow is naale, day after tomorrow is nadiddu or naaliddu, both we can say. Nadiddu or naaliddu, month, tingalu, year, varsha, 100 years, shatamana. Okay, so these are the words we use for days in Kannada. And directions: up, ಮೇಲೆ, down, ಕೆಳಗೆ, left, ಎಡ, left side, ಎಡಗಡೆ, right, ಬಲ, right side, ಬಲಗಡೆ, straight, ನೇರ. Then next we will see how do we use in sentence. This will be useful when someone asks you a direction. So go straight, ನೇರ ಹೋಗಿ. Go left side, ಎಡಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Or ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ, both are same. Go right side, ಬಲಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ or ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Go up, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗು or ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಹೋಗಿ is with respect. Go down, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗು or ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಹೋಗಿ is with respect, ಹೋಗು is general talk. Then some more sentences. Come left side, ಎಡಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come right side, ಬಲಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come from right side, ಬಲಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come from the left side, ಇಂದ is nothing but from. ಎಡಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ. Go from up, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ. Come from up, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ. So these are when we saying the directions, we use all this. Then time. Ghante means hour, minute, nimisha, second, kshana. Then suppose we say how to say 45 minutes, we say mukkalu gante. 30 minutes, ardha ghante. 15 minutes, kaalu ghante. 1:30 we can say as ಒಂದು ವರೆ. 2:30 we can say as ಎರಡು ವರೆ. 1:45 ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. So if it is 2:45, ಎರಡು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು, ಮೂರು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. like that. So wherever 45 minutes is there, mukkalu, wherever 15 minutes is there, kalu. So ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು, ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು, ಮೂರು ಕಾಲು, like that. That's all in this video. Hope it helps you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.